Cricket fans are buzzing after a surprising statement from former Pakistan captain Mustaq Mohammad. On day 4th of the Edgbaston test between India and England, the 81-year-old legend compared Rishabh Pant to Shahid Afridi. Yes, you heard that right. He said Rishabh Pant is the Indian Shahid Afridi. In fact, he's even better with the bat. Now, while the comment was meant to praise Pant's fearless style, the comparison raised a few eyebrows. Afridi was more famous for his explosive white ball knocks and played just 27 tests in his entire career, scoring 5 centuries and averaging 36.5. Pant, on the other hand, has already played more tests, scored more hundreds, and maintains a better average at 44.45. And let's not forget, he's doing this as a wicketkeeper too. Mustaq's point may not be about numbers, but about the fearless energy both bring to the crease. And in that sense, yes, Pant's unpredictable stroke play and bold shots have given India some unforgettable moments, especially in tough overseas conditions. But Mustaq didn't just speak about Pant. He expressed surprise that Virat Kohli has stepped away from Test cricket. According to him, Kohli still had a couple of years left in him and should have been part of the current Test squad. The respect he holds for Indian cricket is clearly visible. And then came a personal emotional moment. Mustaq, who was born in Junagadh, Gujarat, wore a tie with the Indian flag at Edgbaston. He revealed that visiting his birthplace remains an unfulfilled wish. He played in India twice, but due to visa issues, he could never return to Junagadh. He almost made it once, but couldn't manage because of a tight schedule. It's a rare to see cricketing nostalgia mixed with emotion, a moment where the sport connects people beyond borders even decades later.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.